Hi guys, in front of me is CUBOT KingKong Mini 3, and let me show you how to use secret codes. At first, open your phone gallery, then enroll CUBOT, and this is the place in which we will be entering the codes. Let me start with first one. It is *#, 06#. And here you've got device information with email and serial number included. Click on OK. It's all for this one. Another code that you can use is *#, *#, 225, #*. And here you've got the calendar info. So all upcoming events saved in any calendar that you have connected with this device are right in front of you. You will not forget about any of them. Another code that you can use here is *#, *#, 426, #*. So here we've got FCM diagnostic mode. Just by tapping you can switch between status and events, and if you want to explore it a bit more, select more icon and mark advanced view. So that's it. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Use them how often you need. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.